Hi everyone! Welcome
Mel.
back to my another vlog. So, masidi mukbangi vlog tawrage na tawriba. So what are we having?
We got chicken.
We're having chicken curry.
Yeah.
You
I
can't
poured it out
see it,
everywhere.
yeah.
I poured it out
I
everywhere.
can't.
Yes, we do. Like chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Pork.
We have pork,
Fried pork.
fried pork, and aina chana nga pingraga ko chana se chickpea se ngauba to chana se ngauba kangna.
She said.
And then
Salad.
see umurok ka ngari ga meat patilo ka tawraga si lettuce to kot laga chak de chak leire ai ki chak and sika passion fruits ki juice ne it's not a kind of juice like similar to juice it's a
Soft drink.
soft drinks passion fruit
Yeah.
how bani ham na
God tier.
so chaba ho rase miam chaba ho rase ko chaba ho rase baby chaba ho ro
Dig in.
dig in
Okay.
start
Cool.
are you using spoon or
I'll use a spoon today.
should I give you a spoon?
Okay, grab a spoon.
No. It's alright, use that
I'll
one.
use that spoon, that's fine.
Around James' birthday, yesterday was James' birthday, so we had so much fun.
Yes, we had an enjoy.
James' mom and dad came by. We had some wine, then we had some Indian biryani and stuff like that, chicken curry, pork, and everything, and then
We had an enjoyable evening.
yeah, we had enjoyable evening. We did even trivia.
Oh, yeah. Yes, we always try and do a quiz and see how we go. 19 out of 25, it's not that bad. Better than what we've done previously. What?
Like it? How about this? You're having this for the first time?
Yep, I am. I've been soaking the chickpeas for a couple of days. And then that fried up with, what was it? Ginger garlic, obviously. Chili, obviously.
Obviously. That's the main ingredient. Can you please open my pasito?
Okay. Yes,
Tell me something new.
something new.
Yeah, everybody wants to know about you.
Okay. Well, let's see. I swear I'm not really that interesting. I don't know.
What are we doing today, Bea?
Today, yes. Well, today we're going to do a little bit of shopping. It's been a quiet day today. Gonna go out for dinner tonight. I'm gonna have ramen because I haven't had ramen in ages. I don't think you have either, or if ever.
I made a lot of chickpeas, okay? Fried.
Yep.
So I told yesterday that to your mom, Dad, I'll give some. So we'll pack some
Yeah, we can drop.
and then we'll drop it.
Yeah, we can drop it there. Yeah. Right. Chickpeas.
How cray? How it?
Chickpeas go down well. We've tempered the chili. Not put as much as you would usually put in.
Yeah. Because I know Morocco ham the ba. Morocco I use chang the happening the ba. I chang the have the matcha but it'll be very spicy.
I'm a pansy white guy. I don't take as much chili as
So
you
wouldn't be able
all
to
do.
eat, that's why. And whatever I go in, if you don't enjoy, if you don't like it, if you can't eat, then I felt bad, no? So I put a little less chilies and then How's it?
Good. Yeah, it's a good good blend of chili.
People love to see you eating by hand.
Yeah, I know. I'm being lazy. Enjoying using a spoon.
Being lazy.
Yeah, being lazy and using a utensil.
Umurok met pagkamurok. Ngari met do hawa. Sa di ba kuy rabi? Hawa. How kra.
Have more. We do want some more.
Chắc làm sao rồi nhưng mà chắc hello I took some rice from
Yeah,
you.
go for it. Have some more.
You also. That's it.
Yeah. Well, I'm a little bit.
Gravy.
One thing we found out about this one here over the last few days, she's a little bit of a feeder. Likes to make sure everyone is well fed. Roland was very
Kind.
kind. What's a good word to use? Not forceful.
Not forceful,
No,
come on.
not forceful.
Oh, that's cool.
Insistent that everyone had more.
If they're okay.
Exactly. Of course, everyone was quite happy to eat their fill. Me included.
So did you?
Yeah, there's the paper.
Even yesterday your dad likes so much.
Yeah. He's got cold.
Even yesterday your dad likes my chicken so much.
Well, everyone who's had it likes your chicken.
Pork is a bit hard for them, I guess, though.
No, not really. Depends on how it's cooked, really. I ended up buying roast pork and just chopping it up for this, which is about the same as buying smaller bits of pork and then chopping those up.
So how old are you now?
Me. 35.
Happily!
Yay, me. Halfway through my third decade on this earth.
I want the fats one. Fats.
Does this one have some fat on it? I think this one has. There's a little bit of fat in there as well.
It's okay, I got it here.
You got it? Okay, cool.
How bra? How bra?
How about? Good. Very good. This food is good. You've been here almost a week now. I've been
How is your vacation so far?
relaxing. I've done a great deal, but we've just getting away from work and getting away from real life responsibilities is nice. To relax. Spend time just eating, sitting, watching movies. That's right, I went and saw Oppenheimer the other day. That was good. Good film. Long, but good. A little bit of driving and training around Sydney. Happily, this city's relatively easy to get around, especially if you want to go into the actual city, go down to Darling Harbour or something like that, or to Circular Quay, Sydney Harbour itself. That's alright. Get to it in a minute. Easy enough to get around on the trains. These days, you don't even need to use the Opal card, which is the travel card.
Where do I have to look?
That side. Phone, that side.
The flower?
Just next to the flower. Yeah, because that's looking into the camera.
Okay.
Yeah, so you get around using a credit or debit card, which is quite handy.
Excuse me.
Don't have to go and find a place to buy an Opal card and then put money on it and all the fun stuff like you have to do in Melbourne with the MyKey card. Yeah. Yeah, and of course, because I drive.
Who took it out there, Bamba?
What?
Yeah.
Tom, I took it down. I said last night, don't put the tape on the walls because it might take the paint off the walls.
Oh, see, here's
Huh?
expert now. Couldn't stop the high from the mother. He started used to it, getting used to it, eating with hands, eating by hand. I mean,
Yeah.
a bit comfortable now, right?
Yeah.
Comparing to before.
Yeah. Well, it's a lot easier to shovel food into my mouth now. I'm a rabbit.
Rabbit. She job, she rolls the job.
Boing. Well, that food was absolutely delicious.
Thank you. Gracias.
Gracias. Gracias, señorita.
Prego.
Grazie, prego, and gracias, Spanish. Gracias, señorita. Signore.
Senorita.
Signorita. Just the perfect amount of spices, huh?
Perfect amount of spices, perfect amount of timing to cook. Perfect amount of everything.
There you go.
And I find that so delicious than this one. Mukbang Loire, thank you everybody for watching. Please, I hope you do not forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, share your comments, and then yeah. People think that I've shifted to Sydney. I haven't shifted to Sydney yet. I came here for my vacation just to meet this monkey as well. And then yeah, and some people ask me when am I shifting to Sydney. It's gonna take little time. Of course, I'll try to make it soon. I don't know. It's not in my hands. So there are a lot of things to do.
Yes, there's also an immigration
Yeah.
system to work through, which is one of the most stupid ones in the world. A few people have asked if Reilim has moved to Sydney just yet. No, not just yet. Still a few things to get through before that'll happen. We've got a complex immigration system to work through as well. That's not fun. I think as anyone who has tried to come here, either students or even tourists, it's not particularly the easiest thing in the world. Millions of forms to fill out, and yeah. So we have a little bit of work ahead of both of us to get to that point where I can have her out here permanently. But it is certainly in the works. hopefully it happens sooner rather than later, but we'll see. It's just a yes. It will happen sooner or later. As I said, we'll need to jump through some hoops like these. Big hoops like these earrings to get to that point. But we'll get there. We will get there. Anyway.
Cheers.
Indeed. Ting ting.
Thanks for watching, Gant. Keep watching. Make my channels grow.
There'll be some more content coming soon.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Interesting content coming soon for
Everybody.
Everybody, indeed. So, thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.
Bye now.